Hey guys, look, the weather, the rain is becoming destructive, and it is happening since the last night, and now the conditions are going very worse. That's why the holiday has been conducted. So yeah, and so basically, so just want to roam around here, and go here and there, and then just like that, it's happening regularly. So um, everything right here has been happening so for so many moments. So yeah, that's exactly what the thing meant to me. So yeah, okay. So anyways, see you guys in the upcoming videos because this is the last video of the morning schedule. So bye.